I asked last week in my analysis to remain short on silver till the time it remains below 2280. It has precisely achieved close to 2200 levels. However, failed to break past this strongest resistance zone for silver, that is at around 2200. In fact, it felt shy of these levels. So now what is going to happen next week? We will try to see again with the help of candlestick charts followed with indicators, and the end I'll try to conclude and give you the trading levels. Do not miss to watch till the end. So hello, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. And those who are new to the channel, let me share that I provide my daily and weekly update for gold, silver, nat gas, crude oil WTI, and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany 40 DAX, and India index, that is Nifty. So do press the bell icon and daily silver analysis. Do not miss to watch early in the day with the Asia Cash session. I share my updates. So press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest analysis and look at the charts for silver here. See, it has formed a top out there. It has consolidated here. A breakout has been seen. But now look at the weekly candles here. So the body size is consistently diminishing in nature. In fact, this time it failed to sustain the lower levels and try to bounce back again. However, closing the week close to 2230 levels, and yes, this zone at 2240 and 2280 is going to remain important for silver next week also. If you see it trading beyond 2280, once again you can go long. The target is going to be 2320, and beyond that we may see a strong reversal in the silver prices where it may try to go back till towards 2400 and then again come back to this zone 2400, 2500. So let's be cautious here. Let's be watchful here. That is what it appears. At the same time, breaking 2200, there could be a sharper fall, which so below 2200 there could be a sharper fall, and hence we have to be very, very cautious here at this zone. And that is why now let's have a look at the daily charts. What are the daily charts are indicative here? Now look at the daily candles. Previous candle higher highs and this candle lower lows. So previous two candles, this is a breakout here, and that is why we have seen a good drop towards the end of the week. At the same time, yes, if you see it trading above this zone, that is at around 2260 levels, there you can go long. Once you see it trading above 2260, there you can go long next week, and you can expect that it may try to go back again till towards 2320, and beyond that on the plus side can also be seen. At the same time, breaking 2200, there could be a sharper fall. This is what also can be seen, but the body size here diminishing, indicating the bears are not very much in control here, and hence a reversal can be expected if it drops, if it rises beyond 2260 levels. Now this is just on the weekly and daily charts, but my worry point here is this zone, that is it has consolidated below 2300 and try to see a drop, and this breakout candle. So possibly once you see it trading below 2200, we may see it dropping nicely. So I'll be little cautious of these zones here. Now let's also have a look at the monthly candle. What does the monthly candle is? See, monthly candle, it has come back to the support zone at 2200, breaking this. Yes, there could be a sharper fall which is waiting ahead for silver, and it may try to go back till towards the zone in some few weeks probably. I am not going to give you, but this is the level which can be seen if it continues to trade below 2200 levels and sustaining below 2200 levels. At the same time, yes, on the upside, if you see it trading beyond 2320 levels, there you can go long, and there the target is going to be 2500 and 2550 levels in the month of May itself. So I'll be cautious of this zone at 2200 levels. Now we have seen the daily, weekly and monthly charts. Let's observe the indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? And yes, before we see it there, let's also have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see the previous candle has almost ended with a flat bottom, and yes, if you see it trading beyond 2250, 2260 zone, there you can go long, and one can expect that it is trying to give it a sharper rise. So in fact, what we had seen earlier 2260, now in fact you can go long at 2255 levels. There you can expect a sharper rise which will try to take it towards 2280, 2300 and plus levels also can be seen. On the downside, breaking 2200, yes, there is a good entry to go short. In fact, rather 2220 itself is a good entry to go short there. So This is what we can see the 4-hour daily charts and monthly weekly charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. And if you look at the indicators on the 4-hour charts, it is trading at the bottom there, bottom of the Bollinger Band. There is a 20 period moving average at 2260 and pivot at around 2270 and levels, which is going to give it a fairly strong resistance. Beyond that, 2290 2300 zone will come into picture. The stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is running parallel, and RSI not showing any signs here. Look at the daily charts, which is going to give it a fair idea to us. Look at this, the 20 50 100 moving average. Now this zone here at 2400 is cluttered with the 20 50 100 simple exponential and weighted volume weighted moving average here at this zone at 2400. So only if it silver breaks 2400 and then 2480 is going to be considered as bullish, as this is just a retracement which will try to take it towards 2380 2400 zone, and then a drop can be seen. So probably also look at the daily charts, trading at the bottom of this channel here and getting the support here at the exact bottom out there, and hence I'll be watchful of the levels at 2220. At the same time, there is a support here at around 2140 levels, which is going to be from the Bollinger Bands, and hence below 2200 definitely we have to be cautious with the drop. Look at the stochastic here on the daily chart. Stochastic on the daily charts is giving a bearish crossover. So only if we get a greener candle and it continues to trade in an upward trajectory, I will expect it to act bullish, and probably first day of the candle is what will decide. Probably if it not is going to be the larger red candle, it can bounce back again. So look at the MACD here, which is trying to trade in red and trying to converge from here. Probably we may see it converging. Also look at the RSI on silver at extreme here and oversold here. Hence from here our bounce back can be sharp enough for it to take towards 2400 levels. And yes, this is what we can make it out from the daily charts. Also look at the weekly candle here. On the weekly candle, the resistance here very clearly at 2400 2500 zone. Also look at the weekly stochastic, this is oversold and hence a bounce back can be expected. However, the MACD on the weekly charts has just crossed over, and this is just second red candle. That is a worry point for me, and this is what silver into bearish territory. However, look at this, this has happened previously also, where silver has gone to this territory and bounced back nicely. You can clearly see this was the sell zone here, and it has just entered into sell side and bounced back again, crossed over for a bullish recovery. Hence I can expect that if it tries to bounce back beyond 2320, definitely there could be a sharper rise which will try to take it towards 2400. Similarly, RSI hitting near to oversold zones. So it is actually running parallel and neither showing any stress out there. The RSI is not showing any stress for either whether it is going to be overbought or oversold right now at comfort level. So considering this, let me summarize, conclude and give you the trading levels for the day, for the week rather. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. I'll recommend you to go long at 2255 here. Here you can take a long entry. The next target is 2270 and then 2280. If it breaks this zone, we may see it rising towards 2320, which is going to be a fairly strong resistance zone. If it ends sustaining this zone, I'll expect it to directly hit 2340, 23. See, every 20 points or $0.2 it is getting a little resistance, 2380 and 2400. These levels at 2400 is going to give it a fairly strong resistance for any upward move. Beyond 2400, this is going to remain extremely bullish. So yes, stay cautious till 23.2 also, 2320 levels also. These levels are going to remain a fairly strong resistance zone for silver for any upward move. From here it can try to drop again, but at the same time one must not forget that levels to go short are not far away from here. You can go short at 2218. Right now it is closed the week at around 2231 levels. Below 2218 you can expect that it is going to head towards 2200, which is going to give it a very strong support, and in fact it can try to go back till towards 2188. Below this we may see it dropping towards 2150 2140, and below this sky is the limit. It will try to drop towards 2100, and downside it can drop harshly and strongly towards bottom is far away. We can see a stronger drop below 2100, and that is going to be very harsh drop, so stay cautious here. Now we have seen the levels, we have seen everything we can see, and definitely our daily analysis will aid to this analysis, and one can definitely get a clear picture and on how to day trade and how to take positions. So yes, if you also want to gain the same expertise, reach out to me via Telegram or email. You can join my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 9th of May. Only 2 seats are left. So hurry up and reach out to me via Telegram or email for details. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group, where just by trading as per signals you can definitely profit and benefit. So thank you very much. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week. Thank you.